Hello friends, today we will discuss regulations and organizations related to railway safety. Railway safety has evolved significantly in Europe, especially with the arrival of European Union, which pushed for standardized safety and interoperability rules. As a result, countries transitioned from local safety rules to common European frameworks. In this lecture, we will focus on two major components: the European CENELEC safety regulations, Spain's national authority, the State Railway Safety Agency known as AESF. CENELEC regulations. CENELEC stands for the European Committee for Electrotechnical Standardization. It was formed in 1973 by merging two earlier organizations, CENELCOM and CENEL. Its role is to create standards for electrical and electronic systems across Europe. One of the domains CENELEC covers is railway safety. These regulations ensure that railway systems such as signaling, control circuits, communication systems, and onboard equipment are designed and operated in a safe and uniform manner across Europe. Risk levels. CENELEC. CENELEC uses a structured approach to define and manage safety risks. A risk is calculated using a simple idea. A risk is equal to probability into severity. CENELEC classifies the severity of consequences into levels like insignificant, marginal, critical, and catastrophic. Similarly, it assesses probability from improbable, remote, occasional, probable, frequent. When you combine these two, you get a risk matrix. Any risk that is undesirable or intolerable must be reduced by safety measures. A common example is railway signaling. Without signaling systems, the risk of collisions would be intolerable. With proper signaling, those risks are brought down to the tolerable zone. Safety integrity levels, SIL. To control risks, CENELEC defines safety integrity levels called SIL. There are 4 SIL levels, SIL 1 to SIL 4. Higher the SIL level, the lower the probability of system failure and higher the safety requirements for the equipment. Examples include SIL 1, diagnostic and maintenance units. SIL 2, control panels. SIL 3, centralized traffic control, CTC. SIL 4, interlocking systems and track circuits. Interlocking and track circuits must be SIL 4 because a failure in these systems can lead to catastrophic consequences. The SIL requirement is determined by how much risk mitigation is needed after evaluating the severity and the probability of a hazard. State Railway Safety Agency, AESF. Now, let us move to the Spanish national context. The State Railway Safety Agency, or AESF, is Spain's official authority for railway safety. Although the law establishing it was passed in 2006, the agency fully began operations in 2015. Its main purpose is to oversee and ensure the safety of the entire Spanish railway system. This includes infrastructure, rolling stock, signaling systems, operators, and the personnel who work in the railway sector. Responsibilities of AESF. The AESF has several important responsibilities: ensuring overall safety in rail traffic across Spain, authorizing the commissioning of infrastructure subsystems such as signaling, control systems, tracks, and energy supplies, monitoring and compliance with interoperability requirements, authorizing new rolling stock before it enters service, conducting inspections and imposing safety-related sanctions when necessary, approving and, when required, suspending or revoking training centers, certify maintenance centers and entities responsible for maintenance. In short, AESF ensures that every component of railway, from the technology to the staff, is compliant with national and European safety laws. Closing statement. To summarize, railway safety in Europe is based on a combination of standard technical regulations such as CENELEC and strong national oversight bodies like AESF. Together, they ensure that railway operations remain safe, interoperable, and efficient. In the coming sessions, we will explore how these regulations affect signaling systems, interlockings, and high-speed train operations. Okay, thank you.